Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm Josh Gibbons and today I'm going to be talking about why I watch Iman Gadzhi. And of course, it would only be right of me to wear a shirt for this. And another thing, why I've started wearing shirts, and I wore one in my other video as well, is because it gets me in this state of mind where I'm at work, I need to dress like it. If I want to be a businessman, I've got to dress like a businessman. And although, it's not a suit and tie, it's just better than lounging around in my jogging bottoms and t-shirt. So just another little strategy there that has got me to work more efficiently. So let's get into the video. So for those of you who don't know, Iman is a 17-year-old entrepreneur. He does social media marketing, he has courses, he has a great fan base on Instagram, over 35k. He's got a YouTube with over 5k. And he really is just going to kill it when he's older. And the first reason I watch him and love his content, great guy, he's a relatable by age. So RA, relatable by age. He's 17. I'm 16, guys. Literally, he's 1 year older than me, and he was doing this before. Like, he was 16 at some point doing social media marketing. I know he's recently turned 18, but he's practically still 17, and that's literally 1 year above me. So the fact that he's so successful at his age is just incredible. And that brings me on to my second point, is inspirational. He's just, honestly, from where he's come from, his background, and how he's grown so well, the progress he's made and what he's achieved so far is just insane. So much inspiration from him as a 16-year-old who's looking to go in a similar path. Obviously, not with social media marketing. I'm going into Amazon FBA soon, as you can tell by my other content on this channel. There's still principles and so much I can learn from him about personal branding as well. I'll leave his link in the description. You should definitely go and start watching him. Thirdly is V&S, and that stands for value and strategies. So every one of Iman's content, every one of his videos, Facebook posts, everything is just so valuable. Actionable steps. It will always help you out. I don't like this fluff. I love stuff that you can physically do that leads to action and results. And that is Iman's channel summed up. So much value there. So if you're watching this, I really appreciate your content, and we have spoken in the DMs before on Instagram, which I'm grateful for, but your strategies for growing, for being more successful, for making money are just really great, and I can't wait to start implementing those once I start FBA and I start getting an income in to invest in those strategies. And then finally is C, which stands for course. So he's got a personal branding course called Influencer Ignited, and I cannot wait to jump in it. I've written down one of my 56 goals for 2018 is to invest in Influencer Ignited, because I want to learn how to make my brand, my personal brand, me as a human being, a six-figure business and more. So I've looked at the kind of testimonials, what it includes, and there's just so much to learn. For the price, I cannot wait to invest in this. And by watching Iman's content prior to that, it just builds me up to think how insanely valuable the information in the course is for when I get it. So I'm just going to wrap up this video by saying thanks very much to Iman. He's probably never going to watch this, but please feel free to go over to his channel, link in the description below, because you will learn so much of such a young person. And obviously there's a few 16-year-olds on my channel, which is great, so thanks for you guys for tuning in and watching me. But you will learn even more over on Iman's channel. So I hope you've enjoyed. Be sure to leave a like, make sure to comment. I love chatting with you guys. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on entrepreneurship, Amazon FBA and more, and I will catch you in the next one.